Meaning of desert island.
Desert island.
Desert island.
Desert island.
Desert island. A desert island is an uninhabited tropical island typically surrounded by a vast expanse of ocean. It is called a desert island because it is devoid of human habitation or any significant infrastructure. The term often brings to mind the image of a solitary individual stranded on such an island, forced to survive with limited resources and cut off from civilization. Surviving alone on a desert island requires ingenuity, perseverance, and adaptability in order to meet basic needs such as food, shelter, and water.